I wanted to inform you about what I did on your OneDrive for business account files and folders. I know we agreed to only do 10 folders, but I gave you more structure your folder and file system a little bit better than just giving you 10 general categories that wouldn't help you find exactly what you're looking for. So in the first part of this video, I'll tell you what kind of folders I created, and then I'll show you. And then in the second part, I will explain to you what differences I would make if you were to allow me to continue sorting. Folders, all photos, and let's go ahead and go there together. So it's all photos. And then when you click to open that one, the next thing you will see is two different folders, which are photos for Fiverr and pictures. Okay. So then whenever you click into pictures, you go to end up at camera roll. So there's camera roll. And then you would see 2000, 2005, 2000, 2005, and there's one photo in each one of those folders. And then it goes all the way until 2025. But like we agreed, I started midway through, I don't remember what month exactly in 2023, but I did most of the 2023s. I did all of 2024. I did all of 2025. I've completed the organization of all of the images in up until 2025, starting from somewhere in 2023. And the total quantity of remaining images that's or videos are 634 within the contents that should have nothing to do with your tech videos or photos or reels. So anyways, the next thing is our next folder would be photos for Fiverr. So let's go there. And now you would end up seeing 3 different folders: Delete Me Suggestions, Personal, and Tech Girl Jen. So Delete Me Suggestions, Personal, and Tech Girl Jen. So Delete Me Suggestions has duplicates and random images. Delete Me Suggestions, random images and duplicates. There's 24 random images, and then there's 23 duplicates. So these are exact copies of photos that I found and that I put into this folder with different file names. These random photos ones, the reason I suggested for you to delete this, for example, was because it's a canceled event. There's menus in here that I'm sure mean nothing. There's these blank, like templates, I guess you might have started and just forgotten about, that I suggested to delete. This is a February 2024 calendar, which we're very well past. So obviously that calendar and that schedule is irrelevant. And this is another February calendar. Again, these are just very random photos that they have very different reasons of why I would suggest deleting them. Then in the next batch of folders, we have the personal, and there is 953 images within this section that I separated into 6 folders. So for your receipts, to make it kind of easier to consider deleting them, I sorted them by years, and a lot of them don't look very like business receipt type to me, but I don't know. So I just kept it for you anyways, just in case it has anything to do with taxes or anything like that, just to make sure that you know where it is. For the folder that I titled as selfies, these are images that you can maybe or maybe not use for your social media content. In the folder titled theater, this should be an obvious one. It's acting, singing, videos, photos, and anything associated with theater, including like memes, where it says theater is my sport, for example. Instead of personal, we also have the not family or pets. So instructions, manuals, health insurance, documents, obviously not your family members. These are like, one's a drawn picture, one's a very old picture. Pictures of scenery, pictures of just nothing that involves people, like maybe coats and things like that. And then we have, this was the one that I started with as a single dumping ground for every photo that doesn't have to do with Tech Girl Jen. And then I started to realize how probably overwhelming this folder was going to end up becoming if I didn't start cutting it down a little bit and pulling something out of there. Because like I said, we had 953 images that this entire folder consisted of before I broke it down like little by little, to kind of give you a sneak preview of what it would look like if I were to finish the folder all the way through. Because like I said, our agreement was for less folders, more photos. And as much as it sounds like it would balance each other out, it really doesn't, because sorting things into more categories does definitely take more time. Just to try to categorize things in a way that makes sense to you, to be able to have a system that works for you. Tech Girl Jen. Social tracking, for example, would be things like like if your viewers left you comment or reviewing your audience impact or your follower count, or just tracking what your audience wants, tracking what your audience needs, and tracking who your target audience is and where they are located. That was the social tracking folder and the purpose of it, or the sneak preview for it. So then we have QR codes. I'm assuming these are for your social media contents, which is why um, I thought it would be easier to just have them all in one place instead of having to consistently go and generate these codes over and over again. I'm not sure if there's duplicates in there. I didn't try them. I'm not going to lie to you. But whenever it comes to like product recommendations, for example, this was a folder that, I mean, there was several items that fit in more than one category. Now, I could have been wrong about some of these being product recommendations because you could have just been sending a photo to like your husband and asking him, "How do I look in these glasses, babe?" or something, and it could have had absolutely nothing to do with what I assumed. Or there's these videos of the vacuum that you have tons of videos of, and I just don't really see somebody making a video, that many videos of a vacuum, if they're not being paid to do so. So um, that was the reason why that was an assumption that I could be wrong about. Advertising and branding. So what I consider advertising and branding to be is things that you do to generate a profit following a save, share, like, or reaction from somebody to, like, to have them know what your content theme is. So like this is something that I would consider your branding. And then like this is the kind of people that you're targeting as your audience. Let me see. So see, this is your workshop advertisement. That again, I consider that to be your branding. And so then we have the AI folder, icons. You know, I love this folder. Whenever we get to my favorite color in the universe, the pink ones, that I did download, but I don't have the slightest clue of how to make that happen on my phone. And I don't think I found the video that's associated with this. And I actually do have multiple people that have asked me, whenever you get to Jen's video for how to do the custom app icons, just let me know. I want to do it too. Now I'm gonna go scroll through your entire page until I find it because it wasn't in any of the stuff I organized, which sucks because I need these in my life. These are so cool. These are so awesome. Okay. Then we have the apps. So I assumed that a lot of these infographics were your Canva contents that you were trying to teach people how to create, edit, replace photos, and like create different versions of logos and things like that on Canva. That's why I put them here. Cartoon icons, top tips and tricks. And then we've got the Fiverr project. I think this is associated with our project. That's why I put it here. General tech help. This was because of, again, I was trying to show you examples of other folders that can be created. So this is just generalized also because some of it I wasn't sure where to put it because of this. Like, watch. This could apply to apps. This could apply to iPhones. This could apply to desktops. This could apply to so many different things. That was why it was difficult to categorize this one. So Apple ID applies to, again, desktop, laptop, iPhone, iPad. That wasn't easy to come up with a good spot for that. So I just decided to put that in general. And then I also thought the iPhone folder was getting a little bit overwhelming. So I also didn't want to confuse it. Because I think maybe the iPhone folder should be broken down more like I was originally saying. But it really, really feels like most of the content is just about iPhones and stuff. And